Good morning, student. I hope you are very well and you are preparing for the exam, means periodical test first. So, as the revision of chapter 2, the mother who loved the poor, the mother who loved the poor, I told the some part of the story that how Agnes got her name, means changed her name, got her name as joining of the religious group as called Loreto Sisters. So after when Agnes, means Mother Teresa, joined the Loreto Sisters group, so she changed her name and now her name was Teresa. After Agnes, she put the name Teresa. After this, Sister Teresa came to Kolkata and worked in a hospital. She later became the headmistress of a well-known school in Kolkata. Close to the school were the slums, the poor conditions in which the people lived moved her. Together with some girls, she would visit the slums in the evening to help the poor in every day and every way. So, after this, sister, means Mother Teresa, she joined Sister Loretta group, as I told, Loreto Sisters group. After joining this group, she worked in a hospital in Kolkata, and near to the hospital there was a slums. Slums means the the place of the poor people, where the poor people live together and they survive the life. So in this way, Mother Teresa helped the poor people in all the way, as giving them food and giving them medicine and some services like that nurse. Also she cared like a nurse for the people who were ill. So she served like a nurse. And after that, she made a group of some girls, and she also visited to the nearby places, to the slums, and in the evening she used to go to help the poor and needy people every day, as every way. So in this way, Mother Teresa heard God's voice telling her to live with the poor. She wanted to leave the convent. It was not an easy thing. She had to wait for many years before she got permission to leave the convent. So Mother Teresa was very sensitive woman. She was very sensitive. She always looking for the nature, the poor people, and she wanted to nurse, she wanted to help the poor. So one day she was sleeping. In the dream she saw God. God was telling something in the dream. In this way, she changed her mind and she wanted to leave from the convent, and she wanted to do the great work alone or with a group. She did many works alone also, and she did many works with a team also. So did the work in both ways, alone and with team. But she was very laborious, and she was very kind. She was very kind in nature. She always helped the poor in different conditions, even as giving them food, giving them books for study also, and education also. She helped the poor. for the good education. She helped the small children, the children from the slums. In this way, she became famous figure. She started wearing a cheap white saree with a blue border. Soon, she became a common figure in the slums and streets of Kolkata. Inspired by her love for the poor, a young Bengali girl joined her mission to improve the lot of the neglected and the poor. So, in this way, she started for simple life. She started wearing a cheap white saree with blue border, and soon she became a common figure among the poor people, among the needy people in slum areas. In this way, as inspiring to Mother Teresa, there was one Bengali girl, also she joined with her, and she also started the great work, the good job. And that Bengali girl also joined the mission and to improve a lot of the neglected and poor people. Neglected means the people, the particular person that is cut off from the family by any reason. Suppose to, this is very noticeable matter. In old days, if any person got as some special varieties of the diseases like leprosy, the member of the family started hate. They never try to sit near that person. Person may be brother, sister, mother, father. So that type of such person might be cut off from the family. And many members of families were not as aware of that leprosy. But in this way, Mother Teresa served to such type of the people, and she nursed them. She gave them medicine and other types of the help. In this way, though she was born in Yugoslavia, she adopted India as her country. She got many national and international awards for her good work for the poor around the world. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1980. She also received Pope John XIII Peace Prize in 1971, Pope John XXIII Peace Prize in 1971, and India's Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding in 1972. On 5th September 1997, Mother Teresa died of a heart attack. It was a great loss felt worldwide. Mother Teresa shall always be remembered for her loving kindness and charity. So, as she was born in Yugoslavia is a Russian country, and there she was born, but she came to India and she was adopted for India, and she got many national and international prizes, awards, as like Nobel Peace Prize as world level in 1979. She got Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna, the greatest award from India. She got in 1930 Bharat Ratna. She also received Pope John XXIII Peace Prize in 1971 and Jawaharlal Nehru Award for the International Understanding in 1972. At last, 5th September 1995, Mother Teresa died of a heart attack it was a great loss for the world, and Mother Teresa always be remembered in the heart of the people. When any person, when people remember for her loving kindness and charity. Charity means good work for society, graceful work for society, helpful work for society, without any cost. So, in this way, this chapter has been finished, and you prepare about Mother Teresa. Today, you prepare fill in the blanks and question answer from this chapter. Fill in the blanks. Also prepare question answer. First, what was the condition of Sabina when Mother Teresa visited her? After the death of Agnes' father, how did her mother earn her living? So you know what was the condition of Sabina when Mother Teresa visited her? So when Mother Teresa visited her, the condition of Sabina was very bad. She was suffering from leprosy. So condition was not good, condition was very bad. After the death of Agnes' father, how did her mother earn her living? When Agnes' father died, Agnes' mother started a new job as sewing, embroidery, and sewing some types of the as wedding dresses and doing embroidery. So in this way, she earned money as to look after, as for looking after for her family. When did Agnes change her name? What name did she accept then? When Agnes joined Sister Loreto's group, religious group, so she renamed as Teresa. She got the name, she accepted the name Teresa. What did Agnes do in the evening? Agnes means Teresa. Teresa used to go to the nearby slums for the helping of the poor family, poor people, needy people, and she helped them as giving food, giving medicine, and other extra caring. In this way, you prepare the chapters I have given already, the solution of the chapter. Tomorrow, I will revise some portion in learning grammars and other parts of today's class. Thank you.